guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this bomb AF lip combo that I have, and now that I'm looking at it, I'm getting like Bratz doll vibes from it. Like I could be a Bratz doll with this bomb A lip. Like it is super cute. Yes. So anyways, product that I'll be using for this lip combo is any type of dark brown lip liner that you have. It can be a lip liner. This is from LA Colors. It's an eyeliner slash brow pencil, so I'm using that. I'm also using the House of Luxxx lip gloss in the shade Cinnabon. Man, this is bomb. Like it's so bomb. I love it so much, and you don't even have to really refresh throughout the day either, so that's what makes it even more better. So yeah, this is the Cinnabon lip gloss look. So if you want to see how I got this lip combo, keep watching. Okay guys, so for this lip tutorial, the first thing that you're gonna need is a dark brown lip liner. Not black, but just like the darkest brown. You don't want to do black because that's just entirely it's just too harsh. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing for my lip. We're just going to take and we're gonna outline the bottom portion, and we're gonna do it right where the lips start. So right there. Okay, so that's the bottom. And then for the top, we're just gonna follow that V line, but then we're gonna go above that V line eventually. So and we're gonna put an X right there. And just like that. Now, I'm sorry, I don't know why my lips look like they're ashy, but they're not. Like my lips look super ashy, but they're not. I don't know why it's coming off like that on camera. Not sure, but. So next I'm going to take my lip gloss from House of Luxxx in the shade Cinnabon. It is so similar to the NYX Butter Gloss. You know which one I'm talking about. Oh my god, it's like so similar. But this is how it looks. Super cute color. So then first we're going to take this and we're just going to set it at the bottom. And you want to squeeze it out really gently. Sorry, I got my hair in the way. And you just want to mush it in, just so you get that effect. We're not done. So after you do that, what I do is I just take a towel or something just to get the excess like lip liner and stuff off. Go like that. And then we're gonna add another layer. Okay, so I zoomed out so you guys can really like get a glimpse of how the lip looks. Basically I got lip fillers without the actual procedure. You're just drawing the top of your lip higher than, you know, than what it is. So there we go. This is the lip gloss look. Super cute, super easy. All right, you guys, so that concludes this video. This is my Bratz doll lip gloss look. I guess you could say one of my go-to lips. I love a cute gloss. I personally just love like a really cute gloss. It's just my cup of tea. I like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little lip tutorial. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. So good, I keep my